Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I will be getting Search Prestige 1 and that gets me 10 prestiges. And another reason I'm getting Search Prestige 1 is to pay respect for snakethug quitting. And one more thing, no teaming. I'm doing a no teaming. Right now I'm at 980 trophies. So yeah. Come on. Lag. Never mind the what is it called? Carl's baby helper. No, the team. That's karma for team. But then I didn't.
Gotta go lick myself.
Almost got
Gotta go lick myself.
Okay. So one more game for Prestige 1 on Search. Here it is. 1,930 trophies. Almost. So I don't have True Gold Surge, but I think one of his favorite skins on Surge was Surge Kong, so I used that also for respect. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I just remember True Gold Surge being his favorite skin on him. So let's go.
Party time!
So yeah. I just need to get this first place. If I don't, then I need to play another one. Why am I the one getting targeted? But it's still not target. No. What was that? I just got bonked around with them like yay and yay. What was that? The baby on the left hit me. I tried to run away. The one on the right hit me back. And then she finished me off. What was that? I just got thrown back and forth like a ping pong ball.
Party!
Just gonna get 2 cubes so that I can have at least like a sure amount that's good to save me, just in case. But I do need to get stage 2. Stage 2 and stage 3 are both really good. The walk speed is good and the longer range is so good too. Okay, so the menu. That's stage 2. Should be out of here. That's stage 3. This is a gadget. Looks like it's
Retaliation mode engaged!
What the? Get out of here, dude. Damn it. Couldn't super in time. I got stunned, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, come on. One more game. Alright. Let's get it. Let's get it going. By the way, guys, I am getting Kid to Prestige 2 because he is easy to get to Prestige 2. That's why I'm getting him. Not that I made him. He's just easy, so I will be filming when I'm about to get him Prestige 2. Because he will also be my first one. That's Prestige 2. Probably the most annoying one.
Take it easy, bro.
Yeah, everything. Yeah. That's true, you're very annoying. Oh, damn it, I did that wrong. No. That was a bad move. Alright then, still one more game. I love how in like 4 minutes ago I just said one more game. And yeah, now I'm in my like 7th. I don't even know how many games I've played. I didn't count because I don't wanna. Too lazy.
It's party time! Surge!
And also for people in the Netherlands, het is bijna vakantie voor de Koningsdag. Dan is het vakantie. Ja. For anyone else, I was just saying that it's almost vacation. Like for kids in the Netherlands, for the king made it that every kid has to at least have a play, like where they play and stuff with each other in school time on Friday this week because it's Tuesday. Kind of stuff. The day of the king. So yeah, for that we can play and stuff like that, and it's only a half day. Instead of 2, we leave at 12. I don't understand how it's a half. It should be like at 11 half, but I don't understand it. That's Prestige 1! But anyways, let me just finish. And yeah, so we just celebrate. We just play with it. Play and stuff. And yeah, then we go to vacation for 2 weeks. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. And this is Surge Prestige 1 for snakethug. Goodbye.